To a small bowl, add in a 1/2 cup of milk and 2½ tablespoons of flour. Whisk it till it's nice and smooth and there's no clumps. Pour it into a saucepan. And you're going to want to cook this until it gets nice and thick over medium-high heat. And just kind of stir it with a spatula as you go. So it's almost ready. Just gonna keep stirring it till it gets into a clump. Okay, this looks good. So what I'm gonna do at this point, remove it from the heat. I'm just going to pour it into a bowl. And then cover it with some plastic wrap and place it in the fridge to cool completely. Okay, so in this bowl we have the mixture that we created with the milk and the flour. So now we need to combine the rest of the ingredients for the frosting. So we'll add 1/2 cup of butter, and this has been sitting out for a while so it's soft. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, we're going to mix this for approximately 3 minutes until it's all incorporated. So every once in a while I'm going to scrape down the sides just to keep it all getting mixed and not stuck to the side. So it's all mixed up, and now it's time to add our flour milk mixture. So we'll add that in, and also at this time we'll add in some flavoring, in this case some vanilla. You could also do almond flavoring or mint flavoring, just really whatever you think sounds yummy. So then we'll mix this again until it's nice and creamy, until all the sugar granules are mixed up. So that can take anywhere from a couple minutes to 5 or 6 minutes.